speak.
Yeah.
He will speak.
No,
Just
They are compatible with us. No,
Oh.
I am not cheated. I just saw the word.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का शक्ति नेहर व्लॉग्स में। और आज हम सब आपके लिए लेके आ चुके हैं हमारे 24 आवर्स इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग चैलेंज का पार्ट नंबर 3। और इस पार्ट का टॉपिक है, गैस करिए, टाइटल में पढ़ लिया, अरे बड़े समझदार हो। तो इस पार्ट का टॉपिक है डमशराज।
And we have prepared the chits also.
एज यू कैन सी हियर,
अरे गिर जाएगी।
चिट्स हमसे दूर जा रही हैं। ओ भाई, इंग्लिश कोई बात नहीं, वन स्लैप।
Oh.
So now we are starting. Are we all ready?
Yes.
Let's get started.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो।
So
So
friends,
friends,
अब टाइम आ चुका है रूल्स बताने का, जो कि बताएंगे इस गेम के हमारे
Maybe
host
you
sir।
are making fouls because the challenge is continued. So let me tell you about the rules of Damsharaz. As everybody is aware of Damsharaz, so
Yes.
we have prepared the chits, and
Okay.
they have not the movie's name. They have some English
Some
words,
random things.
some random things written in English. So the kids
Yes.
have to guess them, and the rules are same. Thumbs up for English,
But the
thumbs down for Hindi.
but the punishment is being changed.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Type the rules. So thumbs up for English, thumbs down for Hindi, but we have written only the English words, so there will be thumbs up. Then we'll come to the number of words, 1, 2, 3 for the words, and the one who will speak from mouth, so he'll be out and he will get punishment.
Now
Fine?
punishment.
And the one who guessed it right,
Yes.
so that person will get
Surprise gift.
fine. But we have decided surprise gift for that person. And
But I am not yet surprise gift.
and today the competition and the challenge is not yet completed, na baby. So it's the round 3rd. It's the final round. And one more thing, in this we are going to make teams, because the one who is guessing and one who is
And-
enacting, they'll be in the same team. So I think
I and Monica. I and Monica.
girls team,
Yes, girls versus
yes,
boys.
yes.
girls versus boys.
Girls power.
So are
Boys
you guys
power.
ready? Girls versus boys. Is it
Girls
equal?
Yes.
Yeah, I think. So the Damsharaz game is going to start it with the boys team. So boys, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Oh yeah.
What do you know?
So who is going to pick the chits?
Laddu is going to pick the chit, and
So he will enact and you will guess.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Are you aware with the rules?
Yes.
So okay, start. Pick it up, and don't tell anybody. Just read it
You will not
secretly.
have to speak. You will not
Secretly. Oh, okay. Put it into your pocket. Have you read it? Are you ready to enact? Okay, fine. So boys, are you ready?
Yes.
Fine. Start. One more thing. You will get only 1 minute. Fine. So let me bring the timer. So this is the timer, and we are going to start it. So are you ready?
Yes.
Start.
English word. Okay. Second word. 2 letters.
Yes, you can do
2
it.
words. Okay. Bottle. Baby. What?
Do some another thing, na? If he is not getting it.
L.
Oh my God.
L.
Have a look on the timer also.
Not getting.
You have gone with the half time.
20. You have only 20
Baby.
seconds.
No.
Baby.
No
Bottle.
lip sync.
L. O. LT.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Yeah. Good.
2, 1, time out.
Yay! Loser. Boys are loser. Oh, Laddu, why are you crying, baby? It's just the first time you have tried.
Trying, bro.
It's the first time in your lifetime that you have tried the Dum Shiraz, and you have done quite
It was
well.
a very well tried.
Don't cry. Okay, show us the word. What was that? Bring it near to the camera.
The word is
So
Little
the
Mermaid.
word was Little Mermaid.
Mermaid, Little Mermaid. What is this mermaid?
No, that was little. You have gone mad. That was little. Yes.
Okay. He said this.
He was doing correct. You were not understanding that.
No. He can try.
Actually, he didn't know about the mermaid. Am I right? You were
mermaid?
enacting about little. Yeah, but you have done quite
He
well.
tried well.
Okay, so next turn is for girls team and Avika.
Yes.
So, let's start.
So here time for the girls team, and for the height purpose, now I am sitting on the chair, so that I'll be equivalent to her. So
Girls
yes,
score.
girls power. Yes.
Challenging the boys, friends.
Yes.
Yes.
We'll rock it.
Write in comments who is going to win.
P.
So Avika is going to pick up a chick, and I am going to guess it.
Yes.
Friends, I am thinking that we are going to lose.
Oh, it's very simple.
Oh, God is not with us, friends.
Yes, I will. You
No
will
worries.
guess simply. You will guess simply.
No worries.
Okay, so I have the timer started now.
No.
So
1, 2,
you
3.
know we are so honest.
Started.
English. One word. Oh yes, one word. Writing. Hut. House. Writing house. Writing. Place. Oh, it's school.
Friends, they have guessed in just 25 seconds. Friends.
Yay,
School.
you see?
Yes, we.
Show it to them.
We guess it.
So, baby, this is called girls' power. You know,
Yes.
you don't dare to challenge us.
Yes.
So now, next turn is for yes to guess, na?
Yes.
So, friends,
It's
time
boys'
to
turn.
take the revenge. Please keep quiet. Time to take the revenge. We have attitude at this place. Might be at this place. Okay? So, let's start.
So, Avika, are you
This
ready
time-
with the timer?
This
One.
time, no. This time, I am going to net.
Oh,
That is going to
you are the actor now.
Yes.
And
Okay,
he is the
one.
producer.
No, first let me pick the chick.
Okay, just let them pick, na?
Okay. Secretly.
Okay.
Seems
Wow.
like it's so easy for you.
Oh. Be ready. Lana.
1, 2, 3, start. English word. One letter. Or one word. Boxy.
My God, in just 10
Just in
seconds we have done it.
This is known as boys power at this place.
Well done, Laddu. Well done, guys.
Laddu.
ये तो बनता है.
Yash and Vaibhav rocks. Write in comments, friends.
But the score is equal.
So friends, now the score is equal.
So
We have many chits left.
कोई
So
बात नहीं. We are coming back to defeat you again.
Yes.
the fun will be continued. Okay,
Anything else
friends.
from you?
First I have lose, then I have win.
Okay.
Yes.
You have won.
This is the key point of
Boys power.
boys power. Yes.
No problem, baby. Girl power is also on the way.
You lose this
Time
match.
for-
You lose this match.
We challenge you girls.
This is my
You
badua.
will not be able to do the next one.
Coming back to defeat them again.
They are jealous,
You
you
will not be able to. You
know.
will not be able to. You will not be
They
able to.
are
Boys power, boys power, boys power.
jealous. Girls are ready? Yes.
Yes, girls are always ready. So this time I'm going to enact.
And I am going to guess. Okay.
So I have choose the slip and I'm going to read it secretly. My God.
Oh.
God help me, please.
Yes.
Oh no. So start one.
No, 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 no.
No.
Have you read?
Yes, I have read this one.
So one,
One,
two,
one, two, three. Start it.
English. 4 words. Beautiful. Makeup. Dressing up.
No, no, no. You are speaking. Focus on the actor, Laddu.
Makeup. Okay, you are losing.
Oh, 30 seconds gone. 25 seconds gone. 1 second left.
First. Angry. Jealous.
Oh, Stan become vampire now.
That is very funny. Vampire. Vampire.
Oh, 9 seconds left.
Which?
7, 6, 4, 3,
Vampire.
2. Time done.
Yes! We have win the match!
Yes.
You know, the word was quite difficult.
What
But she had tried quite well.
What is the word?
was the word?
And basically it's a storybook and it names it
Beauty and
Beauty
the
and
Beast.
the Beast. So that was like Beauty and Beast was like that.
Okay.
I was able to
Quite
guess.
well.
I was also able to guess it. I was
But
able.
I think she was not aware of that.
Yeah. So,
It's time for the boys.
okay.
So boys, are you ready for the second turn
As always.
of the third round? So who is going to pick up the chit?
This time Laddu is going to net and I am going to guess.
Okay, fine.
Oh, yes.
So Laddu, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Pick up the chit.
Pick up it and read it secretly.
Secretly. Okay.
Have you read it?
Okay.
Understood?
Are you ready with the time?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, start.
Okay.
English word. Oh, no. 2 word. English word. Yes. Slow.
Pay your attention, baby.
V. K.
Don't go for the letter, go for the whole word.
Word. Forward. Not letter. Word.
Try to guess him the word.
Batsman. Cricket. Running. Athletics.
Do something else.
Swimming. Is it a name of sports? Sports person.
You have only 10 seconds.
P.
7, 6.
P.
Try to next something else.
Time
Don't say
out.
from mouth.
Time out.
Don't speak up. And the time on now. Yay!
Yes.
You are the loser. So what was the word, baby? Show it to the camera.
Amusement park.
So the word is Amusement park.
I am not being
no.
So, I will enact and she will guess. So, let's pick up the chit.
Cover your eyes.
Okay.
Yes, friends, yes.
So
So it seems to be
simple and
difficult.
dangerous.
It seems to be difficult from her reaction. Let's see, will I
It's
be able to
medium.
guess it
It's
or
in
not?
medium. So 1,
So 1,
2, 3,
Let me.
start.
ready or not?
Yes,
1,
ready. Always
2,
ready.
3,
3,
start.
English. 3 words. Guitar. What is the first word?
No speaking, Avika.
You're telling me the third word. Guitar. First word. Throwing ball.
They will not be able to guess. They will not be able to guess.
Playing guitar. Playing.
Oh no.
Playing the guitar. Yes, yes, yes. Playing the guitar.
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh yes, yes.
Show it to them. Show it to them. Show it to them. We have done it. You know this is called Girls Power.
Yes.
अब क्या फायदा टाइमर का?
So friends,
रुक जा.
now only 2 chits are left. Score is girls power 2 points, boys power 1 point. So this is must turn
It's
that
your
boys
last
have to take the points. Boys must.
If you
have to
want
take
to
the points.
have your nose upright in front of us, you have to guess it right.
We will guess, bro. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it, man.
So boys power, are you ready to get defeated by us again? No. Okay, we'll see. So who is going to enact?
I'm going to enact
And he's going to guess it. Oh, the winner of the last game, huh? We'll see you. Huh?
How is the Josh?
Down.
Also, I like a diamond in the sky. Okay.
Okay. Now like a diamond in the bowl.
Okay.
So close your eyes. Are you ready with the timer? Oh, what was that? Is it so easy or is it so difficult?
Difficult.
Oh, I am watching you getting defeated.
No.
Oh, okay.
1.
So are you ready? No. Let me start the timer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Avika.
1, 2, 3, start.
Okay, start.
English. 1 word.
Oh, one word.
Eating.
Eating.
Eating yesterday. Tomorrow.
Keep guessing.
Eating in plate. Eating in home.
Baby, it's one word.
I guess. Home.
What about the time? Oh, you have crossed the half time. Try to write something else, na? He's not getting it.
Eating. You are speaking.
No, he's acting. Just do something else. It's
Yeah,
time.
he's speaking.
5, 4, 3. Just wait. Still.
वाह क्या सीन है वाह क्या सीन है
If he is saying pizza, then still it is not
It's
correct.
not pizza. What is the word?
You know, pizza is still wrong. And what is the correct word? Show it to me.
McDonald's.
Oh, show it to the Asna with the slip. Oh, stop the timer. Avika got so much overexcited.
Avika can repeat in friends. We must have second chance.
No. She came
It's
just
McDonald's.
after. Show it to the viewers now.
You
Okay, fine.
cannot eat it on me.
Why are you shouting?
I am not trying to
This girl did cheating. This girl did cheating. This girl did cheating. This girl.
Speaks slowly.
So you know the situations are getting worse. So let me stop the camera. Again, the third time, Vaibhav has started crying. Have some sportsmanship.
So friends, Vaibhav is crying. How are you feeling, Vaibhav?
He is not feeling happy because he was not able to guess it.
Okay.
No, you have read difficult words. That's why I cannot guess.
I don't.
This is the problem of English. He is frustrated by speaking English from 3 days.
He has cheating.
Yes.
Please
He is
don't
he.
use my gender.
He is
I'm
he.
not
He has cheating.
I can understand, bro.
They have written word and they can.
Yes,
I
bro.
have not cheated, na. I wrote easy words also and difficult words also.
So it's our turn.
It's
So
their turn.
it's the final turn.
There is only one cheat, so I will
She is going to enact,
close your eyes.
and I am going to guess. Are you ready with the timer?
Yes. So the timer will be starting. 1, 2, 3, start.
English. 3 words. First one. Coming.
You understand.
Coming.
Opening the door.
Don't speak.
Opening the door.
Human,
Open.
open the door.
Open, close. Close. First
Close,
word
open
is
door.
first word the close. First word is close.
Close, open door.
Second word the close the door. Close the door. Closing the door.
Yes.
Okay, closing the door. But
How, friends? How?
I'm not happy. He's crying.
Friends.
But he has just.
A few moments later.
So friends, as you can see here, Vaibhav is crying.
My baby. Friends, he is the real winner. As you have seen in the last 2 videos, he has performed so well, and in the last and final attempt, he has
Why are you crying, bro?
guessed before me.
Boys are crying in the comments, yaar.
He is so intelligent. No, boys have right to cry. Also, he is. No, stand up.
Situation is out of control. Is getting out of control.
Okay, what do you want? Tell me. Stop crying. If you want to change the game, I'll change it. What prize do you want? I'll give that.
Yes, he is the real winner.
You are the real winner.
He has won 2 rounds.
Ah,
2 rounds.
Yes, 2 rounds you have won, and in the final one also, you have guessed before me.
He won
Stop
remote
crying,
control
baby.
card.
You will be going to get the gift, yaar. Why are you crying?
You are the winner in both the games. As you are
As
the
you
younger
said
one,
it, as you said
and
it.
you have
No.
performed so
Let me speak.
well.
As you said it in the first vlog, first part of this game, we told the rules that the one who wins 2 parts out of 3 will get the gift. He won 2 parts out of 3,
You
so
know,
he is the ultimate
they
winner.
are my true superheroes, true winner. As they are so younger and they are performing so well, they are
You
compatible
have
with us.
cheated. You have cheated.
No,
Oh.
I am not cheated. I just saw the words on Google in the Damshilal table and I just randomly wrote them.
50 rupees overacting cut.
And his point is like he doesn't know about mermaid, he doesn't know about amusement park. So he is saying if I am not aware of the words, then how will he guess it?
Why are you crying,
Point is
bro?
also right, but just take it as a game. Have some sportsmanship.
Yes, bro, you can do it, bro. You are getting the gift,
The
bro.
friends are also watching. Your teacher is also.
Yes, your friends are also watching our vlog, man. What are you doing, man?
Stop it, my baby.
Lado, you are a star, bro. You are getting the gift.
जाने मेरी जाने मन, प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे। जैसा मेरा प्यार है, प्यार तुझे किया है, बचपन का प्यार मेरा।
ओहो लड़ो वैभव प्लीज ब्रो प्लीज यार ब्रो प्लीज ब्रो। So friends, this vlog will be continued and a prize will be distributed in the next video, so wait for it. Bye bye.
बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं